Today I'm going to show you how to make a Victorian holiday cracker. This isn't the kind of cracker you eat as a snack. It's a holiday cracker that pops when you pull it apart and it has a candy or a toy inside. So before I get started, I'm going to gather together all of the materials that I need. I need a piece of tissue paper. I need a paper roll. It could be a toilet paper roll, a paper towel roll, or part of a wrapping paper roll. I have 2 pieces of ribbon, a candy cane or some kind of treat, a cracker snap, and that's the important bit that's going to make it go pop. I have a holiday sticker and a pair of scissors, and that should be everything that I need. So I will put most of that over to the side. I'm going to start with the piece of tissue paper. I will open it up, and then I'm going to put the paper roll here on the side that's closest to me, and then I'm going to roll the paper roll up in the tissue paper. I'm going to try and make it nice and tight and keep it straight. Okay, and then once you've got it wrapped up, take the holiday sticker and use that to secure it in place so it doesn't unroll again. Right. Then the next step is to put the cracker snap through the middle. So you can see right down in, and I'm just going to drop that through the middle. So you can see it pops out that end. Now I'm going to take a piece of ribbon and I'm going to line it up about the edge of the paper roll. And I'm just going to tie a knot, tie a double knot. You could tie a bow too, whichever you prefer. Close off the one end. And before you close off the other end, to drop the treat or candy cane down in the middle. Give it a little shake. You might have to help it in a little bit. And then take the other piece of ribbon, find the edge of the paper roll, and attach the second piece of ribbon. Alright, so at this point, I'm going to take my scissors and curl the ribbon a little bit. You need to be pretty careful doing this, so you might want to ask an adult to help you. Alright, here we go. So that's actually the finished cracker. And you can see the snap sticks out both ends, so I could actually grab it if I wanted to. Now, once the cracker is complete, you can keep it. You could give it to a friend or a family member. Often you save them until mealtime and then break them apart at the table. I hope you've enjoyed making the holiday cracker with me. Happy holidays. Alright, so I'm just going to take a minute here and pop open the Christmas cracker. If you want to make sure it works, make sure you've got a piece of the cracker snap in both of your hands and holding it pretty tightly. Here it goes. And then now you can open it up. Usually it might pull apart a bit more than that, and then your candy is